أعوذ بالله السميع العليم من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. My beloved CSS 20 weeks, PMS 20 weeks, Judiciary 20 weeks, M English 20 weeks, IELTS 10 weeks, Creative Writing 10 weeks, Life Skills A1 4 weeks, English MDCAT 20 days, Interview 20 days, Day-to-day English Conversation 100 hours, OA levels 16 weeks, Skill to read the Holy Quran 100 days, Translation of the Holy Quran 30 weeks. You know that yesterday we started module number 4. And you know that each coming lesson is based on the previous one. What was the previous lesson? Can be. Miss Rafi can speak English, it means that if Miss Rafi can speak, it means English can be spoken. If the Pindu like Miss Rafi can speak English, it means that English can be. I'm proud of my son, Mr. Jawad. He's very creative. He is always there to support me and Nawaz Sharif. If he is there, if such a creative boy, such a creative personality is there to support Nawaz Sharif, it means that Nawaz Sharif can be supported now. Miss Rafi is not there to support Nawaz Sharif, and he is still determined to continue his support to me and Nawaz Sharif. The great Amir al-Mu'mineen, Damat Barakatuh, Madda Zilul Ali, Muhammad Nawaz Sharif. So we are moving forward. My son, you are over here at this platform, at Sela, in this classroom. What do you want to do over here today in this classroom? Ready? You ready? Please.
I want to understand the new lesson.
Love you, my son. My son, Mr. Jawad, wants to understand the lesson. You with me?
Yes.
My question to you, to all of you, what should be done? Everybody will say something. I want to write something on the writing board with the help of this marker. What should be done first of all? The marker should be uncapped. No, it should be held with proper angle. It should be moved on the writing board, keeping that image of the letter in mind. The question is to you all, what should be done so that he can understand? Please. Lesson should be taught professionally. If it is taught professionally, he will be able to understand the new format. Number 2.
Class should be attended attentively.
The class should be attended attentively.
Example should be given.
Very good. The example should be given in an easy way, in some understandable way. Some understandable example should be given. If such examples are given, he will be able to understand the lesson. The learning environment should be created by all the people in this room. Logical questions should be asked by the students, and no convincing answer should be given by the teacher. Participation in this activity should be ensured.
The silence should be kept.
Very good. The silence should be observed by all the people. No, except the one. The one who is speaking, he should be heard very attentively. Clear? And that silence should be broken turn by turn.
The previous lesson should be kept in mind.
Very good. Love you, my daughter. All the previous lessons, all the previous phrases, all the previous discussion should be kept in mind. If those discussions are kept in mind, what will happen?
He will be
able to understand the lesson. The lesson will be understood very easily.
The logical answer should be heard attentively.
Love you, my son.
The intertalk should be avoided.
Very good, beta. If it is avoided,
He
will be able to understand it. Please. He is over here to learn English. So English speaking environment should be created. He wants to develop his English vocabulary. So, new English vocabulary should be spoken, should be shared. He wants to develop his confidence. So, what should be done? No, the confidence developing techniques should be adopted, should be provided. Well done, sir. Please. The confusion should be eradicated if it is there. These people were giving you different suggestions. What should be done according to their opinions, that if you carry out those activities, you will be able to understand the lesson. Number one.
The answer should be given logically.
Okay. Thank you. You came with the intention now to learn how to speak English. And I'm here now to teach you how to speak. Let me know about the things, about the activities which shouldn't be done during our today's class. If they aren't done, you will be able to understand the lesson. What shouldn't be done over here in the class? If that isn't done, you will be able to understand the English language. Please.
All concepts shouldn't be
Applied.
applied.
The old concept shouldn't be applied. If they are applied, you won't be able to understand this new concept, because there's no ta hai, ti hai, te hai, alif, choti hai, badi hai over here. Not at all. So these are the old concepts. No, alif, choti hai, ta hai, ti hai nahi.
Mind shouldn't be diverted somewhere else.
I love you, my daughter.
The
Please.
fear shouldn't be kept in the heart.
Very good. Should be done, shouldn't be done. Should be spoken, shouldn't be spoken. Should be adopted, shouldn't be adopted. Should be avoided, shouldn't be neglected. No, it's open to you. I want to please Allah Almighty. None should be abused. The abusive language should be avoided. The abusive language shouldn't be used.
Bad activities should be avoided.
Excellent. Please. Meaningful words should be spoken. Meaningless words should be avoided. The people should be respected. The people shouldn't be disrespected. Everybody should be helped. None should be disrespected. Should be followed. The teachings of God should be followed. I want to develop my English communication skill. The question: what should be done? What shouldn't be done? Please.
English videos should be watched.
Very good. The English video. The English video should be
Watched.
Very good. Please.
The English people should be listened to.
Very good. The English people should be listened to. Excellent. Ji.
The English newspaper should be read.
Very good. The English newspaper should be read. If it is read, I will be able to develop my English communication skill.
Proper practice should be done.
Very good, beta. The proper practice should be done, and the improper practice should be avoided, should be left, should be replaced. The improper practice should be replaced with the proper one. The illogical word should be replaced with the logical one. The outdated method should be replaced with the latest one. Time wasting activities should be replaced with the time saving ones. The meaningless word should be replaced with the meaningful ones. Ji.
The professional English teacher should be consulted.
Absolutely right. Some professional English teacher should be consulted. The unprofessional trainer shouldn't be consulted.
The sentence should be spoken clearly.
Love you, my daughter. The English sentence should be spoken clearly, with clarity. The English sentence should be coined, logically, with logic.
The basics should be learned at first.
Very good, beta. The basic structure of the language should be learned first of all, should be comprehended first of all. The very first thing which should be done is to comprehend, to understand the basic English. What is that? That is now the first lesson, first format of module number 1. 90% of the total English over here. If you are able to pick that, the thing shall become easy. Ji. How to practice? See, I want to eat food. What should be done? What shouldn't be done? I want to travel. You can go practice like that, no? I want to watch TV. Assignment is clear? Yes. Thank you.